So now we use like petrols and diesels as our fuel in cars and bikes. So after some time it will end. We have to we have to move to a more sustainable fuel system. So what it can, you can say batteries, but batteries are mostly like toxic materials. So you can't reuse it or you can't dispose it to toxic to earth. So basically there is another solution, hydrogen. Now, what is hydrogen? Hydrogen is a
Abundant material on atmosphere.
yes, yes,
Most abundant material in atmosphere.
but not atmosphere, in water. In water, there is H2O. You have to separate it. There are another division. They are separating that thing. There's a difference. So now, my problem is that I have to store the hydrogen because hydrogen is very tiny. It can easily penetrate through your metal. Okay, because metals are made up of like mostly irons. There are manganese blend, there are chromium blend. So they are much larger than hydrogen. So hydrogen will easily penetrate through it. And every metal has some grain boundaries like this.
Lattice points.
No, lattice point is grain boundaries is much bigger. You have to zoom in, then you find lattice. Okay, so in the grain boundaries, the hydrogen can stick. Atomic hydrogen, not molecular hydrogen. H only. Hydrogen will stick here, and it will recombine with each other to form H2 gas, hydrogen gas. So, what is the basic principle of gases? It tries to expand. Okay, gas will try to expand in your specimen, in your metal tank. Inside the metal, there are thousands of crores of hydrogen molecules. They are trying to expand from inside. What can happen to your metal?
It will also expand.
No, it will break.
Yeah.
The metal can't.
Brittleness occurs.
Exactly. That's why the name is brittle. The project name is hydrogen. That's why the brittle name came. So we studied the brittleness without charging the hydrogen, and with charging the hydrogen, we took the sample of Martin City